Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Sabrina Jahan bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English class for the students of nursery. And dear students, this is our revision class and our today's topic is fill in the blanks. And our lecture number is 20 and there is no W today, okay, and my mobile number is here. Okay, now we will start our topic. Dear students, we have already finished from A to H, okay. From A to H, fill in the blanks we have already finished in our previous class. Now we will start from I, okay. From I now we will start our today's gaps. Okay, our first gap is look, I have written here table, T-A-B-L-E, table, and in the first gap I have written T. In this gap, in the first gap I have written T and then I have written A, T-A. In the next gap I have written here B, B-L-E, table. Okay, look dear students, our next word is number J and the word name is camel. Okay, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Dear students, after the word C you will get a gap here and in this gap you have to write A, C-A-M, and then you will find another gap here and in this gap you have to write E, then L. Okay, so the full word is what? Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Okay, dear students, our next number word is K-nong, star, S-T-A-R, star. Look dear students, here I have written after the word S I have written T and then I have written A in this gap and you will get here another gap where you have to write A, S-T-A-R, star. So the word is what? S-T-A-R, star. Okay, dear students, now we will go to the next word and the word is what? Tree, T-R-E-E. Okay, dear students, what is this word's name? Yes, this word is tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Look dear students, here I have written after the word T I have written here R, okay, R, then I have written E and then you will find another gap where you have to write E, then the full word is what? T-R-E-E, tree. So the full word is what? T-R-E-E, tree. Okay dear students, now we will go to the next word and the word name is what? Look, I have written here M-A-N-G-O, mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Look dear students, I have written after the word M I have written here A. Okay, in this gap I have written here A, then I have written N, M-A-N-G, then you will get another gap and you have to write here O. So the full word is what? M-A-N-G-O, mango. Okay, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Look dear students, our next word number N where I have written nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Okay, N-O-S-E, nose. Dear students, here you will get in the first gap you have to write here N, then I am going to write here O, okay, N-O, then you will get another gap here and in this gap you have to write S, then the last letter is what? E, N-O-S-E, nose. So the word is what? N-O-S-E, nose. Look dear students, our last word is lock, L-O-C-K, lock. Look dear students, here after the letter L I have written here O because you will get here a gap and in this gap you have to write here O, L-O, then you will get another gap here you have to write here C. Then the next letter is what? K. L-O-C-K, lock. So the word is what, dear students? L-O-C-K, lock. So I am repeating these words once again. Number 1, table, T-A-B-L-E, table. Next word is what? Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel. Our next word, number K, is star, S-T-A-R, star. Then our next word, tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Then our next word, mango, M-A-N-G-O, go, mango. Okay. Then our next word, N-O-S-E, nose. Then our next word is L-O-C-K, lock. Our next word is what? L-O-C-K, lock. Okay, dear students, you have no SW today, and I hope you have understood today's topic. So keep practicing this at your home, and of course abide by your parents. See you again. Allah Hafiz.